मात्रा स्पर्शस्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदा आगमप्पायिनो अनित्यास् ताम ततिक्षस्व भारत. Life is a challenge. Challenge makes the being very evolved. So challenges are very important as much as life is. Only by proper work we can evolve ourselves. So every work in this world has various challenges. Similarly, when we started this Vrindaranyam Gurukula, we had many challenges within us. Our first challenge, I would tell, is our own self. We felt very much that this work has to be done. We have determined this is what we have to do. An education model which should be inspiring for ourselves, and also it is a inspiring aspect for every educational institute and as well as entire country. So there were a lot of challenges in this, and the primary challenge is our own self, that we couldn't know that how much we are self-sufficient to give self-sufficiency to others. Actually, contention in ourselves gives contention in our work and to others. Everything is from the inner to the exterior. Nothing is like exteriorly everything is sufficient and fulfilled and internally we can take it. Actually, everything starts from the internal and moves towards the external. Another concept in education is near to far that we thought of. So the near to far is a very important concept in education. Today we are trying to implement that in every aspects of education. We learn everything from our hands and legs first and then gradually take it to the external world, because that is the most nearest thing that is available. So in our initial stages of Vrindaranyam Gurukula, we had a lot of deficiency in ourselves. We didn't know how to fulfill this, but by a lot of interaction with people who are experienced in various angles, because to give everything for a child in a particular condition, particular place, it requires summing up of so many aspects from the society in various places. So we used to travel a lot of places all over the India where people have taken these challenges and then implemented in their work. So we saw what are the challenges, what are the difficulties that they have undergone to implement these things. So we gained knowledge and we gradually try to implement those aspects in our life. But actually speaking, every day is a challenge, but it is very joyful. Why joyful? Because it is giving a pleasure to everybody. It is giving a lot of joy to everybody because everybody is progressing towards swavalambana, swadharma. So when we also travel in the journey which is incomplete till our moksha, this is another very important aspect which our Indian philosophy speaks is dharma, artha, kama and moksha. A very wonderful combination, 4 purusharthas, which is actually the two extreme external. The fourth aspect is moksha and the first aspect is dharma. This is clamped with the two ends with in between artha and kama. So this kama and artha actually gives everybody desires so many things, that is kama, and everybody requires certain facilities to fulfill that kama, that is supported by artha. Artha is not only money, artha is also some meaningful ways to fulfill that kama. So this has to be flanked, this has to be clubbed with two things, that is dharma and moksha, because these two aspects actually bind these two aspects so that they don't go in a wrong direction. So self-sufficiency is very important, but it has to be properly done with the right attitude is liberation, and it should be starting with dharma. Everything should be done as per the dharmic intentions. Dharma is a very vast subject to understand, which is in sutras being given in Bhagavad Gita and many other shrutis and smritis. So we are trying to learn all these things from various people, from books And these are our primary challenges that we were undergoing. And actually not only an interest to do, that is our primary challenge, but also a lot of funds are required to execute these activities. Because everything is new, we require skilled people to involve in this activity to give this factors, that is swavalambana, self-sufficient to kids. So another aspect challenge is money. So first thing was knowledge, second this was artha. So money was also a challenge, but gradually we are experiencing that people are supporting such good cause all over the country. When people come and see the work that is being done for the better human development, so they are interested to help us to go forward and execute our action. So these are the basic struggles or challenges, and especially because this is an alternative education, a self-sufficient person can only give a self-sufficient education. So here in the modern times, because most of the people have come out from Macaulay education system, naturally there is a lot of incompetency in every person. So basically our bigger challenge is we are to even make self-sufficient teachers first. A teacher who has capabilities, multi-capabilities, so they can address various issues. So we are also having different training programs to develop teachers also. Then we should also have good children who they are interested to learn such things. So we have a procedure for even absorbing kids into this educational pattern. We are very much interested in good parents good in the sense that they are interested to develop their kids in this procedure in a proper way, so that they can be self-sufficient and also they can contribute to the society. So we are very much interested to seeing forward that these things, these challenges gradually become easy to handle, and also we are seeing ahead that there will be new challenges. That's the way things will go, that's the way things will evolve. That's what the nature is teaching us, that's how we would like to go. And this is a challenge every moment, and these challenges will continue, and we are ready to face it to give a better service to the society.